Alright, hello everyone. Yes, so this is a continuation video um, on this my wife's 2003 Volkswagen Beetle. I replaced the expansion valve and the AC dryer on this thing, and now I just got it refilled with R134A Freon, and the cheapest one I can find is 150, which is really a bargain. Most places were charging me 220. The most is like 299. If you live here in Las Vegas, Nevada, this is the place to go. It's definitely Lalo's Collision. It's LALO Collision Center. Great guy. He only charges 150. So now I'm gonna give it a test drive and then give this back to my wife so she can use it. Hopefully it won't leak again. If it does leak, I'll do another video. If you don't hear back from me, then that means this thing is working, no leak at all. Alright, so right now it's 88 degrees, and they say today it's going to be in the high 90s. So alright, so this afternoon is going to be in the high 90s. Alright, so hopefully the videos I made will help you guys fix your problem with your AC. Okay, well, good luck to you all, and God bless you. Bye bye.